Frustrated by the Framedynos Library DLL software error message? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows architecture specialist, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your Windows environment. While we explore the technical guide for Framedynos library, you can access a professional tool for managing complex library dependencies. This is the Framedynos library, the WMI SDK Provider Framework library. It provides unmanaged base classes used by developers to write WMI providers. It facilitates the data link between system hardware and software manifests and the WMI query engine. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. This is an OS-level file error that requires a system integrity scan. Open command prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to allow Windows to verify its core files and automatically restore Framedynos library DLL. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Framedynos library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. If you're still getting the missing interface error after the reboot, let's re-register the file in the system hive. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, legacy interfaces require an active registry entry to be recognized by the OS. Registering the file creates the necessary pointer for the software to initialize the component. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. If you're attempting to install Framedynos library DLL yourself, be aware that manual file placement can lead to severe software conflicts and data corruption. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. The diagnostic maintenance tool linked below offers background information for scanning Framedynos library-related issues. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped Framedynos library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.